Warmly welcome to all in the online session. Dear students, in today's session, we would like to take a step in fifth chapter, Indigo. The chapter which we are going to study, accelerate, explain is consisted in your book Flamingo. Okay, now come and let's try to know what is the theme of, what is the concept of this chapter. First of all, before going in the deepest of the meaning of the chapter as well as the story, we have to know what is its sense. The name of the chapter is Indigo. Actually, it means indigo is used here. It is a kind of plant. It is a kind of plant and it is used as dye as well as color. ये एक पौधे का प्रकार है. ये कलर के रूप में हम क्या करते हैं, यूज करते हैं. इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज वी ऑल कैन से नील. ओके, द ऑथर ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज लाउस फिशर. लाउस फिशर, he was born on 29th February 1896 and died on 15th January 1970 in Philadelphia. He started his career as a journalist. He started his career as a journalist. Right? इन्होंने अपना जो कैरियर स्टार्ट किया था एक जर्नलिस्ट के रूप में स्टार्ट किया था. नेक्स्ट थिंग, वॉट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन is given in your text, I am going to read. You all can see and put the finger on proper line. Okay, his Laus Fisher was born in Philadelphia. He served as a volunteer in the British Army between 1918 and 1920. Fisher made a career as a journalist and wrote for the New York Times. It means he worked a lot for the New York Times. New York Times is a newspaper. Who was the founder of this newspaper? You all can note down as a further information, as a additional information. Henry Johnson Raymond. Henry Johnson Raymond and George Jones. The Saturday Review and for European and Asian publication. He was also a member of the faculty of Princeton University. The following is an excerpt. It means the story is an expert as well as a part and piece of the collection of story, and the name of the story is The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. The name of the story is The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. Life of the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Second thing, we all can say the books has been reviewed as one of the best books ever written on Gandhi by Times Educational Supplement. Times Educational Supplement, TEP. It is also known as Times Educational Supplement, in the short form TEP. It is the weekly magazine. It is weekly magazine. Okay. And it is used to read in United Kingdom. Now, what is information about the chapter? Just we all have look a little. Okay. Second thing, actually this lesson Indigo is based on an interview taken by लाउस फिशर. ये जो चैप्टर आपका है इंडिगो, इट इज ए कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन लाउस फिशर एंड महात्मा गांधी. महात्मा गांधी और लाउस फिशर के बीच जो कम्युनिकेशन है, इसी चीज़ को इसमें पेन डाउन करने की कोशिश की गई है. वाट एवर इंफॉर्मेशन डिड लाउस फिशर गेट फ्रॉम महात्मा गांधी रिगार्डिंग टू गेट फ्री इंडिया फ्रॉम ब्रिटिशर्स is mentioned in the story. Okay, now come to the text, and one thing is more, before going in the text, some reference words are given. I have mentioned all these words here. Let's try to know the sense as well as meaning of all these. First word, urge the departure. Urge means make request. The departure, it means to sail, निकलना, जाना. Okay, and what is the sense of these word is mentioned here. Insist on going away of the British from India. Insist on going away of the British from India. Mahatma Gandhi expressed his desire, determination to depart the British from India. Conflict of duties, it means wearing two hats. What is the sense of this word? I have mentioned here. You all can note down as well as listen carefully. On the one hand, Gandhi did not want to set a bad example as a lawbreaker. Mahatma Gandhi was not a little desired to establish as well as show bad example. Bad example as a lawbreaker. वह नियम को, कानून को तोड़ करके एक गलत मैसेज लोगों को नहीं देना चाहते थे. एंड अदर हैंड, टू रेंडर मीन्स टू रिप्रेजेंट, टू शो द ह्यूमैनिटेरियन. वो प्रस्तुत करना चाहते थे ह्यूमनिज्म को, मानवता को. एंड नेशनल सर्विस, राष्ट्र की सेवा करना चाहते थे. फॉर विच ही हैड कम, जिसके लिए वो वहाँ पर आए हुए थे. वहाँ मीन्स चंपारण. वी विल गेट अवेयर टू दिस सिनेरियो इन द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द स्टोरी, इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी. नेक्स्ट वर्ड, harbor a man. Its meaning is like me. It means like a man. Harbor a man like me. Harbor a man like me. It means give shelter to an advocate of home rule. It means it is not good to provide shelter to any Britishers in our India. Okay, next thing, seek prop. It means try to find support or assistance. Whenever we try to get support, help as well as assistance from anyone is said to be seek prop. Now come to the text. Students, in hope all of you book right now and put your finger at proper statement. When I first visited Gandhi in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram in central India, he said, I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of the British. It was in 1917. When Laus Fisher, the author of this chapter, took an interview of Mahatma Gandhi, in that period of time, Mahatma Gandhi told him that how it happened, how did sharecroppers became free from Britishers. आई विल डिटेल यू फर्दर, मैं आगे क्या करूँगा, इसे डिटेल करूँगा। यह बात महात्मा गांधी ने आथर से बताई। एंड आई डिसाइडेड टू अर्ज द डिपार्चर ऑफ द ब्रिटिश, आई मीन्स महात्मा गांधी। हाउ डिड महात्मा गांधी इंसिस्टेड ऑन गोइंग अवे ऑफ द ब्रिटिश फ्रॉम इंडिया in 1907? It was the beginning time, it was the glimpse of being free India from Britishers। ये एक शुरुआती दौर था, ये एक भारत के स्वतंत्र होने की एक झलक थी, जो कि यहाँ पर 1917 में क्या हुआ, स्टार्ट हुआ फ्रॉम महात्मा गांधी के द्वारा। He had gone to December 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. There were 2,301 delegates and many visitors. During the proceedings, Gandhi recounted a peasant came up to me looking like any other peasant in India, poor and emaciated, and said, I am Rajkumar Shukla. I am from Champaran and I want you to come to my district. Gandhi had never heard of the place. It was in the foothills of the towering Himalayas near the kingdom of Nepal. It means December 1916. December 1916. Actually, the date was 26 to 30. 26 to 30 December 1916. There was meeting, and it was the year. It means in the 1916 at the Charbagh railway station, Mahatma Gandhi met to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Convention on the National Congress Party in Lucknow. In the Lucknow 1916 there was a meeting of National Congress. In that meeting, in that seminar, there were 2,301 delegates, representative, deputed personality have been presented there, arrived there. During the proceeding, Gandhi recounted, during the program, during the meeting, Mahatma Gandhi remembered that a peasant came up to me. Mahatma Gandhi remembered, recounted that a peasant came up to him and told that who was that personality? That was Rajkumar Shukla. जब मीटिंग चल रही थी कांग्रेस पार्टी की लखनऊ में 1916 में मीटिंग चल रही थी, उसी दौरान महात्मा गांधी को ख्याल आया, याद आया कि मुझसे कोई एक पेजेंट आया था मिलने के लिए। पेजेंट मीन्स फॉर्मर आया हुआ था मिलने के लिए, और वो अपना नाम राजकुमार शुक्ला बता रहा था। आई एम फ्रॉम चंपारण एंड ही वॉज बिलोंगिंग फ्रॉम चंपारण। राजकुमार शुक्ला वॉज बिलोंगिंग फ्रॉम चंपारण एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू कम टू माई डिस्ट्रिक्ट। ही वॉज डिजायर्ड, he was insisted Mahatma Gandhi to come and visit Champaran. Gandhi had never heard of the place. Gandhi had not any idea or scenario regarding Champaran district. He was unknown about that place, and Champaran is in Bihar. It was in the foothills of the towering Himalayas near the kingdom of Nepal. It is situated near the towering of Himalaya range. Under an ancient arrangement, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. Rajkumar Shukla was one of them. Under an ancient system, under an old system, there was sharecropping. Arrangement has been made, and Rajkumar Shukla was one of this situation. He was illiterate but resolute. Rajkumar Shukla was not literate. He was unable to read and write, but have a great determination to do anything. He would not ready to change his mind. He had come to the Congress session to complain about the injustice of the landlord system in Bihar, and somebody had probably said, speak to Gandhi. It means while Congress session was going on, in that time Rajkumar Shukla arrived there in order to make complaint about the injustice of the landlord system which has been established by Britishers in Bihar. And somebody had probably said, someone had told Rajkumar Shukla to meet, to consult, to take some specific advice from Mahatma Gandhi, so that he decided to visit. Gandhi told Shukla he had an appointment in Kanpur and was also committed to go other parts of India. Actually, spelling is written here CAWNPORE, CAWN, okay, PURE, okay, CAWN and PORE. That is old English, but nowadays we use it Kanpur, KANPUR. Okay. Now, second thing we all can say, what happened there? How did Mahatma Gandhi try to convince Rajkumar Shukla? Was also committed to go to other parts of India. Mahatma Gandhi had to go to other parts of India. Shukla accompanied him everywhere. It means Rajkumar Shukla did not leave. Rajkumar Shukla persuaded him each and everywhere. Then Gandhi returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Shukla followed him to the ashram. When Mahatma Gandhi returned, came back to his own ashram near Ahmedabad, Shukla followed him to the ashram. Shukla means Rajkumar. Shukla persuaded him, followed him, did not leave him at all, and went to the ashram of Mahatma Gandhi. For weeks he never left Mahatma Gandhi's side. For a week, many days he did not leave Mahatma Gandhi's side. He was absolutely determined in his mind not to leave a company of Mahatma Gandhi. It has been mentioned in the beginning of the chapter that Rajkumar Shukla was illiterate but resolute. It means he was not ready to change his mind at all. वो दृढ़ निश्चयी व्यक्ति था. इस वजह से महात्मा गांधी जी से मिलने का जो प्लान था उसने उसको ड्रॉप नहीं किया. Fix a date, he begged. He pleaded there. He made a request to Mahatma Gandhi to fix a schedule, to fix a timetable. Impressed by the sharecroppers' tenacity and story, Gandhi said, after listening the great determination, great effort, as well as the situation of sharecroppers of Champaran, Mahatma Gandhi said, I have to be in Calcutta on such and such a date. It means he would be in Calcutta in such and such a dates. इस डेट को हम क्या कहाँ पे रहेंगे? कलकत्ता में रहेंगे. Come and meet me and take me from there. It means you can come there to meet me, and from there we would like to board to Champaran. Months passed. Shukla was sitting on his hunches at the appointed spot in Calcutta when Gandhi arrived. He waited till Gandhi was free. It means many months have been passed, and Shukla was sitting on his hunches. Hunches means in the style of folding his thigh as well as legs. It means he was taking his seat on a single spot in Calcutta. When Gandhi arrived, he waited till Gandhi was free. He was staying there until Mahatma Gandhi became free. Then the two of them, Mahatma Gandhi and Rajkumar Shukla, boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. It means they started their journey to Patna in Bihar. There Shukla led him to the house of a liar. There Shukla led him means Mahatma Gandhi, to the liar named Rajendra Prasad, who later became president of the Congress Party and of India. 26 January 1950, the president of India, it means Rajendra Prasad, became the first president of India, of our India, on 26 January 1950. He was liar in that period of time, while Rajkumar Shukla led to Mahatma Gandhi to Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was out of town. It means he was not at home in that time. But the servants knew Shukla as a poor human. But servants of the Rajendra Prasad knew to Rajkumar Shukla very well, and he was considered their human. Okay, human means YEOMAN. Okay, means a farmer who have small land. Okay, and does क्रॉपिंग. ऐसे किसान जिनके पास कम जमीन हो और वो क्या करते हैं, कृषि कार्य करते हैं. इज सेड टू बी ह्यूमन. हु पेस्टर्ड देयर मास्टर. इट मीन्स he used to visit frequently to Rajendra Prasad to help the indigo sharecroppers in order to provide justice to the sharecroppers. So they let him stay on the grounds. So that regarding this as a being pestered personality, so that he was allowed to sit on the grounds with his companion. Rajkumar Shukla and Mahatma Gandhi took their seat on the ground. Second thing, with is Gandhi, whom they took to be another peasant. It means both of them, Mahatma Gandhi and Rajkumar Shukla, took their seat on ground because of untouchability was going on. Second thing, but Gandhi was not permitted to draw water from the well, lest some drops from his bucket pollute the entire source. How did they know that he was not an untouchable? It means it was the circumstances of our India in that period of time, in that contemporary period of time, that there was no intimacy among the people. Such type of issues were going on in that contemporary period of time. Gandhi decided to go first to Muzaffarpur, which was then route to Champaran. It means actually Muzaffarpur is on the way to Champaran. To obtain more complete information about conditions that Shukla was capable of imparting, he accordingly sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kripalani. J.B. Kripalani, complete name is Jeevat Ram Bhagwan Das Kripalani. Jeevat Ram Bhagwan Das Kripalani, of the Arts College in Muzaffarpur. It means in order to get a lot of information, detailed information, Mahatma Gandhi decided to go to Muzaffarpur. Muzaffarpur is situated on the way to Champaran, and so that in order to maintain his schedule as well as timetable, he sent a telegram to J.B. Kripalani J.B. Kripalani was the Arts College in Muzaffarpur. J.B. Kripalani was in the Arts College in Muzaffarpur, whom he had seen at Tagore Shantiniketan School, to whom Mahatma Gandhi visited at Tagore Shantiniketan School. Okay, the train arrived at midnight, 15 April 1917. On 15 April 1917, Mahatma Gandhi and Rajkumar Shukla arrived at midnight. Kripalani was there. It means Kripalani was waiting at the station with a large body of students. J.B. Kripalani was standing there with a large of people, disciples as well as students. Gandhi stayed there for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani, a teacher in a government school. Actually, professor, he was not professor, although the name has been mentioned. Professor Malkani, a teacher in a government school. He was a teacher in a government school, government authority. And there Mahatma Gandhi stayed, lingered for 2 days. Okay. It now come to the next paragraph. It was an extraordinary thing in those days. It was a very unique thing in those days. In those contemporary period of time, period of session, Gandhi commented, Gandhi remarked, for a government professor to harbor a man like me. To harbor a man like me means give shelter to an advocate of home rule. महात्मा गांधी जब वहाँ पे रुके तो उनको इस तरीके से रिमार्क किए कि टू हार्बर अ मैन लाइक मी, इट मीन्स आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर. In small localities, the Indians were afraid to show sympathy for advocates of home rule because of rule regulation by British. Mahatma Gandhi was not insisted to stay a little of Britishers in India. महात्मा गांधी जी को इतना भी पसंद नहीं था कि यहाँ पर ब्रिटिशर्स रुके. He was not desired to controlled by master by any British in his own country. Okay, I hope all these paragraphs are very clear. And second thing, on the basis of GS, it means general study, this chapter is very prominent as well as important for all of us. Next episode we will come to we will discuss it tomorrow. Thank you for attending the class. Have a nice day.